Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today we're going to continue our dress. Okay, so we have a lot to do. Let's hope I finish it today. So here's the bottom part of the dress, and I said I was going to walk you guys through the panel. So this is the last piece of the panel. There we go. So this goes on the left hand side where the zipper goes. So let me bring the camera down, then you can see what I'm doing. Okay, hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I want to make sure I got it under properly. There we go. I hope I'm not crooked. One side is done. I'm gonna sew the other side. Then after that, I'm going to serge it, but I won't go with you guys. I'll just serge it, press it, and I'll be back. But let me finish this first. Make sure I got it even. Okay, see the point part? That's very important that you get the point properly. Okay, and this is it. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Hello, I'm back. After crisscross, I pinned the waist of the bodice to the skirt. So I'm gonna sew it now. Okay. Let's see. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back again. Now I'm gonna stitch the waist. Oh, I think I went up. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stitch. think I will go off and I'll be back. I'll finish the waist and I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. Everything is done except the zipper. So I'll do it offline. So this is the back. It's a long dress. Now I'll take some pictures and show it to you. This is the front. Where am I? This is the front. Okay. And then I'll tie the belt and take some pictures and show it to you, okay? Because it's a long dress, it's hard to see. That is how it looks like. Now, we finished this dress. We finished this dress, okay? I always don't like to cover my face. I keep cover. Okay, we finished this. Now, next week, God willing, we're going to start this. Remember, I cut all this already. So next week, we're going to start this. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much. Happy sewing. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Thanks.